some Wall Street firms think they have found a better place for some of their funds. Startup company Better Place of Palo Alto, California, which hopes to create big networks of charging stations for electric vehicles, is getting a big vote of confidence. Hundreds of millions of dollars in new venture capital. Clean Sky's Lee Patrick Sullivan has more. Good morning, Lee.
Morning, Susan. British banking giant HSBC says they will invest $125 million in Better Place in exchange for 10% of the company. Add to that $225 million from Morgan Stanley, and it's a $350 million day of new investments for Better Place. And as you mentioned, Better Place is a California company that has developed a way to exchange out batteries from cars. They say you drive your car in, you exchange out a dead battery for a charged battery. It takes about 3 minutes, quicker than they say, then you can fill up your tank. And they've already signed deals with Israel and Denmark, and we caught up with Shai Agassi, the CEO and co-founder of Better Place, while we were in Copenhagen, and we said, sure, Israel and Denmark, they're small countries, you can set up electric charging stations there, but could you do this in the USA? This is what he said.
We could put our infrastructure across the entire United States at a cost of $40 per car in the country. One gas tank per car in the country.
Now, Susan, in case you're doing the math there on the anchor desk, that is $10 billion. We have 250 million cars in the U.S., so at $40 per car, that equals $10 billion. That's a huge investment. And so far, only one company, Renault, has a car that would be compatible with this battery exchange. Renault in 2011 says they're going to have the Fluence ZE electric car. We test drove that in Copenhagen. So far, one car company has a car that will be able to have the battery exchange. And in 3 years since they've announced of this program, Better Place has yet to demonstrate this technology to the public. Susan?
And Lee, it is starting out in Denmark, but it plans to eventually expand to the U.S.
Yes, those are the plans. They want to extend to the U.S., but they're looking for more capital. And as Shai Agassi mentioned, it's only going to be $40 per car, but that equals out to $10 billion. Right now, they have about $700 million in investment. Their market cap is $1.25 billion, so they're about a tenth of the way there. They need a lot more investment for it to be a reality in the United States.
Right, but a big vote of confidence so far. Lee Patrick Sullivan, thank you.